Okay, welcome back, America. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this problem is asking, it says, it's making a statement. It says the scale factor from figure A to figure B is 2 to 1. Okay, we're about to find out if that's true or false. Before we do that, let's go ahead and write a proportion to solve for x. Okay, so we have the two figures in the right orientation. Okay, they didn't flip anything around, which is kind of nice. So we're going to go ahead and make a proportion. A proportion has 4 places to put numbers and variables. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 of them we need to know as numbers, and 1 we need to have as our, there needs to be an unknown somewhere, like an x. Okay, and it could be, 3x plus 4, but there needs to be an unknown somewhere. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. So 9 corresponds to 18, and x corresponds to 6. And there are different ways to write a proportion, but you just have to be consistent with how you write your proportion. So, for example, if I want to put 9 over 18 over here, that is perfectly fine. But then I have to put x over 6 on the other side. Or if I want to put 18 over 9, that's fine too. But then on the other side, I have to put 6 over x. Those are the most common mistakes when you do a problem like this, is to flip something around and not put it in the right location. So let's go ahead. I'm going to choose to put 9 over 18. Okay, since I chose to put 9 over 18, I started with figure A and I went to figure B. On the other side, I have to also start with figure A and go to figure B. So that's x over 6. How are we doing? Good? Okay. As she yawns. Okay, so now we know how to cross multiply. So 18 times x equals 9 times 6, divide both sides by 18. Tell me what you get. 9 times 6 divided by 18. Somebody's got to have it.
Is it 3?
Did you get 3 too?
Yeah.
Okay, so 3. Okay, another way we know it's 3 is 9 times 2 is 18. So what number times 2 is 6?
3.
It's 3. Most problems aren't quite that easy, and there's decimals and whatever. So, but you can see the ratio is the same there. Okay, now that was good practice. We need to now find the scale factor. Scale factor is just the simplified ratio. And I think probably the easiest one to do is to start with these two numbers that we have, 9 to 18. We just need to simplify that, 9 to 18. You can write that 9 to 18 with a colon, like 9 colon 18, or you can write it like a fraction. Okay, either way, those are both ratios. So when I simplify that, and you can put that in Desmos if you want, but you can probably simplify it in your head. When you simplify that fraction, what do you get?
1 over 2.
Okay, 1 to 2, or 1 over 2. Okay, it's 1 to 2. It's a ratio. This statement at the top here says the scale factor from figure A to figure B is 2 to 1. Is that accurate? No, it's 1 to 2. However, if the statement said the scale factor from figure B to figure A is 2 to 1, that'd be true. Okay, so you have to be careful about which figure they say first. So from A to B is 1 to 2, from B to A is 2 to 1, okay? So that one's false. But then we go to slide 28, and it's the same question, but now it's asking, what's the scale factor from figure B to figure A? And if you take a look at these answers, you will see some of them are written with a colon and some of them are written with kind of like as a fraction, okay? They mean the exact same thing. They are both ratios. So, but 2 to 1, you have to be careful because if you write 2 to 1 as a fraction, it's 2 over 1. You cannot just write the number 2 because 2 is not a ratio. You have to write 2 to 1. So, what's the scale factor from figure B to figure A? 2 to 1. Questions? I think I'm gonna stop my video. Yep, I am. All right. Thanks for subscribing, America. We hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Peace out.